Well, this is a cold start of this snowblower. It's just a cheap old China thing. We have the gear shift bungee tie because it's really loose. Just fixed the tires on it a couple days ago. And we need to clear some snow. Here's the Arctic Cat 550 EXT 93. You'll see a cold start of that later too. So first thing we do is turn it on. Choke about 1/8 of throttle, and usually it starts on the first or second pull. That's my MacGyver fix. It'll work for a little while, temporarily. Got a little crack right there. Now the reason I think it starts so good is because I only give it an 1/8 throttle and I let it warm up for a minute. And I think that helps. Doesn't wear out the cylinders as bad.